Okay, so this week's discussion is a little, I'm going to say odd, because of the fact that I kind of lack a better term for it. But essentially, what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to describe three databases which have positively impacted you in the last 5 years. This might require a little bit of thought craft. If I was going to say what database positively affected me in the last 5 years, maybe the KBI database, because I'm still an instructor and I can get hired as jobs. Being an instructor, KBI being Kansas Bureau of Investigations. I might also say something like when I got pulled over by a speeding ticket, I did not I did not get a further speeding ticket because they were able to check the database that I did not have a criminal record. Unless you had a direct, like you positively know about the database, it might take you a little bit to kind of make that stretch, but I think the point behind the discussion this week is databases are all around you. They affect your life. How do they affect your life? And to kind of think about the way that something positive has occurred with you in reference to a database existing, and if the database didn't exist, maybe it wouldn't have affected you. Maybe you wouldn't have had that opportunity. And like I said, it's a little thought craft. I think I know what the point behind it is, but you just kind of have to play along to the best of your ability and just write about it, do the best you can. So far, it's welcome aboard, and I look forward to hearing what your discussion is.